Hi, I am Naisel R. Salibay, an Events Management Services NC3 trainee, and this is my portfolio. This is our company logo, Julie Events Management, with a slogan, "We create, you celebrate." To start with our profile, Julie Events Management is a reliable events management company dedicated to crafting unforgettable experience for every unique client. The company was located at Zone 6 Poblacion Claveria, Misamis Oriental. It was created on April 2020 and owned by Naisel Salibay. The company name was after the son of the owner. Again, Julie Events Management Services is situated at Zone 6 Poblacion Claveria, Misamis Oriental, with an email address nicelracines06@gmail.com, our Facebook account Nicelracines Salibay, and our number is 0938-908-259. So our company mission to provide affordable, practical, and reasonable fees designed for any type of clients that even surpasses or exceeds service expectation. So, and this is our vision, leading the company of events management around the nation and providing innovative ways in order to expand its connection in the global market. Our company offers events planning, venue selection, theme design, logistic management, and entertainment and production. Events planning from concept development to execution. We offer comprehensive events planning services tailored to meet the unique needs and objectives of each client. Venue selection. We assist our clients in finding the perfect venue for their event, whether it's a grand ballroom, a scenic outdoor location, or an intimate gathering space. Theme design, transforming ideas into immersive experiences that captivate guests brings into life. Logistic management, including vendor coordination, scheduling, budget management, and on-site supervision to ensure a seamless and stress-free experience for our clients. Entertainment and production, live music, lighting design, audiovisual, equipment rental, and a lot more. Other service offers, so we have other services, company events, personal events, and leisure. For company events, we have conference, anniversary, and seminar. Personal events, birthday, Thanksgiving, baptismal, debut, wedding, and leisure. We have reunion, concert, and festival. The company will not be possible without the team and stakeholders. So the event head, yours truly, Naisel R. Salibay. Ms. Salibay is graduated of Bachelor's in Elementary Education at Golden Heritage Polytechnic College, a licensed professional teacher. She works and organizes some events including wedding, debut, and baptism. These are the team and stakeholders. These individuals are responsible for planning, organizing, and executing an event. For event planner, we have Wilma Indoy. The coordinator, we have two coordinators, Claudine Barros and Annalisa Racines. Suppliers, we have Stephanie. For marketing and promotion specialist, we have Benjamin Paila. And for technical specialist, we have Remark Racines, and the security coordinator is Idsil Makahili. So these are some of our completed projects with the wedding, regarding the wedding that happens in Initao with Mr. and Mrs. Rojas, and then the church wedding is Mr. and Mrs. Sarmiento. And then for the debut, we have Aya May Makabasa, and then the other one is Miss Marjorie Mosota. And then for the charity events, This happens in Kanangkaan, Cabrera, Misamis Oriental, a gift giving that happens yearly. We choose one school to celebrate. And then for the training, this training happens also in our place at Claveria with um, under the ALS EST under that. So these are some of our suppliers. We have Mati Flower Farmers, Jenny Cakes, of Susan Prolande Photography, Hans Videography, Record Works Photobooth, the Flashers Lights and Sounds, MG for hosting, MG Fabella hosting, Connery hosting services. And for the catering services, we have Mait Catering Services, Food Fifth Catering Services, and for the venue, we have USDP Claveria and the Cavinscape. These are some of our suppliers. So the company is not completed without the license compliance. So these are our licenses. We have BIR, Mayor's Permit, and then the PLGIPs. So our company also has a rule. These are the rules and regulations of our company. A code of conduct, confidentiality, safety regulations, legal compliance, quality standards, ethical practices, financial policies. For code of conducts, respect for clients, colleagues, and vendors. And then confidentiality, safety regulations, compliance with health and safety regulations to ensure the safety of events attendees, staff, and participants. Legal compliance, we have permits, licenses, and insurance requirements. Quality and standards, customer service, venue selection, catering, entertainment, and a lot more. Ethical practices, act with integrity in all business dealings. Financial policies, clear guidelines for handling finances, including billing, invoicing, payments terms, and invoicing policies. And then for marketing strategy, we use online presence, network partnerships, um, industry events, attend industry conference, trade shows, networking events to connect with potential clients and vendors and partners. Collaboration, partners with complementary businesses such as venues, caterers, florists to offer bundled services or cross-promote each other's clients, testimonials, and case studies, event sponsorships. And for the SWOT, we have the strength. Strong vendors relationship have suppliers that give importance to quality of service, creative and innovative approach, creative elegance in the most cost-efficient way and a backup plan. And then weakness, defense on seasonal demands, limited resources, and also the competition. Opportunities, diversification of service, strategic partnerships, excel by learning new trends. Threats, economy, regulatory changes like pandemic and crimes, tax and permits, and also a rising of numerous new competitors. And we also have infographic. We have FB, Instagram, and Twitter. Daily events, Instagram, and daily events officials. And so these are our four P's of marketing: product, company events, personal events, leisure, price, reasonable and competitive, visual, shop in the right location to meet customers' demand, accessible for the target market, advertising, public relations, sales promotion, direct marketing, personal selling, and digital marketing. So in um, creating an events, these are the advantage and disadvantage for outdoors and indoors. But first, we have the advantage and disadvantage for our outdoor events. So outdoor advantage, cost. Outdoor events are more cost effective than indoor events. This because you won't have to worry about renting out a space or paying for things like lighting, sounds, and equipments. Flexibility. Outdoor events also offers a lot more flexibility when it comes to planning. You can be more flexible with the date and time of your event. And you don't have to worry about finding a venue that is available. Atmosphere. Another advantage of outdoor event is that they can create more unique and festive atmosphere. When you host an event outdoors, you can take advantage of natural setting to create a one-of-a-kind experience for your guests. And then we also have this advantage in terms of weather. Weather is one of the biggest risks of hosting an outdoor events. And then security, there are more opportunities for things to go wrong. You have less control over who has access to the events. And then also the noise pollution. Outdoor events can also be disruptive to nearby residents if they are not properly planned. So this is the advantage and the disadvantage for indoor events. Advantage, whether there is no stress or worry over whether run predictable weather. And then the comfort of your guest is more guaranteed. Then facilities, there may be less equipment, so have to worry about renting setting up. Then the noise, no need to worry about the noise you're making in indoor. And also the security, you can shut and lock doors if they need be, and four walls give your guests a sense of comfort. Then decor, if you envision loads of small and fragile details, an indoor events is sometimes the safest bet. And the disadvantage, logistics, this can prove challenging for vendors trying to load in equipments and decor for your events, most especially if the venue is in third floor. So space, there will always be a factor for indoor venues. Depending on the size of your event, this may not be an issue for you. Then the demand. Many indoors venues experience a higher demand during the rainy seasons, especially these days. Rules. There could be rules. Space and decor. Your elevations could be slightly marred by the fact that your decor might need to be minimized to meet the rules of the establishments. And this is my event bid, graduation ball. So my client is the USTP College of Agriculture in Poblacion, Claveria, Misamis Oriental. That will happen on May 25, 2024 with a contact number 0917-6378-249 and the email address denisyamota@ustp.edu.ph. So this is our proposal letter, a contact to the clients. This includes the date and charges, the dates and the changes and cancellations. So what? Graduation ball. When? May 25, 2024. Where? Admin office. Theme, glitz and glamour. Target audience is 300 pack. So this is their vicinity map for outdoor and indoor, since the outdoor is near to the indoor events. So this is a sample of the outdoor floor plan. So as you can see, we have, though it is an outdoor, we have still the entrance. the dance floor, the catering services, both sides, stage, music, and the CR. The sample for indoor floor plan. So this is the indoor. We have the exit and entrance, the restroom, the first aid, and then the catering area, dance floor, also the stage, and the music and the DJ. So these are the samples for the stage indoor and the stage outdoor. And the sample for the invitation. So in the invitation, we have the graduation ball, glitz and glamour. Then when? Saturday, 25 May 2024 at 3 to 7 p.m. at USTP admin. So this invitation is for the indoor and the sample program. And this is the sample for an event package. So event package, we have venue consultation, vendor research and recommendation, entertainment and music, ad advice on the course elements, budgets and timeline development, menu assistance, menu cards, invitation selections, distribution, and RSVP collections, setup and breakdown of event based on the number of people, on-site coordination. And then the comprehensive package inclusion, venue, caterer, lights, sounds, LCD projector, chandelier, thematic styling, and photo. And then the venue package. So in the this is our sample, the proposed sample for the menu package. We have the appetizer, menu, drinks, and this. And this is the budget proposals. So this is our budget proposals. Project, graduation ball, number of packs, 300. Venue, admin USTP. Then food. So the budget for the food is 120,000. Decoration, 20,000. Lead wall, 10,000. Sound and lights, 10,000. Awards, 10,000. And then for the invitation, we have 10,000. Tokens, 30,000. Video and photo coverage, we have 25,000. The photo booth, 6,000. Entertainers and hosts, 10,000. And then the planning and coordination is 15%, 38,400. A total of 294,400. And this is our timeline. So planning and preparation, December start on December 2023, May 2024. Selection of suppliers, December 25 to January 10. Contacting contract signing to the clients and also the partial payments of 50%. December 20, 2023. Proposal to suppliers quotation, December 28. Contract signing with the suppliers, December 29. Second meeting with suppliers, January 10. First meeting with working committee, January 25. And final meeting with clients, and also the payments for remaining 50% will happen February 15. Final rehearsal of graduation ball cotillion, March 21. Final meeting with working committee, April 22. Post meeting with working committee, May 28, and then post meeting with clients, May 20. Event brief, contact coordinator, Naisel R. Salibay, at Poblacion Clavia, Misamis Oriental. And then event, graduation ball, theme, glitz and glamour. Purpose, it gives students to come together and be with the group for the last time. Day, date, and time, Saturday, May 25, 2024, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Location, admin USTP. Participants and guests, graduates, administrators, teachers, and staffs. Invitation, we will be distributing 2 weeks before the events. Directional signage, we have entrance, exit, restroom, parking area. Parking services in front of the venue. Audio video, Jushan photography, enhanced videography. Number of staff, 10. Number of guests, 300. Allotted budget, 294,400. For the run sheet, we have event day, May 25, 2024. On the day, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. 4 to 4:30 registration and nomination, 4:31 to 5:20 entrance of the graduates, 5:21 to 5:50 p.m. Philippine National Anthem, 5:51 to 6 inspirational talk by Lilibet C. Baco, 6 to 6:10 intermission number, 6:11 to 7 dinner, 7 to 7:30 funny moments film and short speech. 7:31 to 35, awarding of Best Dressed and Ball King and Queen. 7:36 to 7:45, intermission number. 7:46 to 8, prophecy speech. 8 to 8:20, prophecies, graduation ball cotillion. 8:21 to 8:50, closing remarks. And then 8:51 to 9, open dance. So after graduating, these are the opportunities that awaits to the events management's graduates. Opportunities. Wedding planner helps wedding planner, project coordinator, project relations specialist, logistic manager, and conference manager. So a wedding planner that helps design and orchestrate a wedding from the beginning. Project coordinator, a professional who is often involved in the day-to-day operations of their assigned projects. Public relations specialist, shape and maintain a positive image for their clients through strategic communication, branding, and crisis management. And then the logistics supply manager, supply chain experts who oversee purchasing, shipping, and operation related to supply chain. And then the conference. So industries with on-the-job training opportunities for EBMS NC3 graduates. Entertainment industry, non-profit and organization, corporate events, special events industry. So events industry, those involves in providing entertainment, non-profit and organizations, an entity that is created and operated for charitable or socially beneficial purposes rather than to make a profit. Corporate events, any form of events, hospitality, or social activity which is organized to or funded by a business entity. Special events industry encompasses a broad spectrum of gatherings ranging from corporate conference and trade shows to festival and entertainment events. So that ends my events bid proposal, and let me share you some of the memories that I have done before studying these events management courses. So I am an ALS teacher, and these are some of our students training as an automotive and welding under the ALS EST. And then the kids, so this is some of our charity events that happens yearly. And we roam around to share the blessings that we have in the entire year. So thank you and God bless.